Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Strava app and you will enter here in this application. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.